Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be discussing about Elixir. This website is where people make money now, like it's a trending website where people earn a lot of money in as much you put in a lot of work as well. So Elixir is an advertising company that allow people to market their goods and services. They also allow you to make money through various means on this website, guys. You can, for example, you can make money as an affiliate, and you can make money performing taxes every day. You can also make money. By linking your social media, that's your TikTok, okay? By linking your TikTok account to this particular website. So recently, a lot of people have been using it, okay? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can also use it. So this is my dashboard here, and it says, "We are here to serve you. We are interested in you winning and in your success via our advanced innovative features and structures solely based on creativities. Your adventure to Nirvana begins with us." And when you go down here, it's been trusted by 100,000 plus businesses and institutions globally. And these are things they do. They said we are committed to providing our customer with exceptional service while offering our employees the best training with different skills. We ensure that every entrepreneur and users wanted to make a continuous sales on their product and skills and services. We get right varieties of customers and patronages. The promoters of such products and services through networking and affiliating, guys. I already said that at the beginning. We also get adequate value back for their time spent. Below are some of their features that made us stand out and greatly verified. So guys, Elixir is a verified company, okay? This is not something like double money scheme, okay? You don't double money here, okay? You don't double money. The thing is that they have their packages, and in the meantime I will reveal to you how you can earn on this platform. So here are their various means of earning, and I'll be talking about each of them now. So what I'll do now is to go back and I'll click on my dashboard to show you how it is done. Okay, like I said, it's an advertising company, and you can see these are what they advertise, and this is one of the way they make their money. Okay, so here we are on my dashboard, and this is what I have made so far for this month, okay? And they also pay in USD. I've actually switched my account to USD, and this is what is giving me, okay? And Elixir actually paid directly to your bank account. So guys, let me tell you what this particular website is all about. This is not an app, it's a website where you log in, and this is where you can't just log in anyhow. You have to have a coach that will put you through, okay? So for every coach, the duty of the coach is to guide you on how you use the website. So on this website, after you have gotten a coach that actually introduces you to the website, you perform daily taxes, okay? You perform daily taxes For example, if you are to perform daily taxes, all you have to click is on this menu box, and you see your dashboard, you see adverts. Guys, remember I said this company is an advertisement company. Okay, so I've actually clicked on adverts, and here is it. They have blog as well. There are up to 350k users. Like, people that I told you, people are into this app now, and they just launch it. It's not even up to 2 months yet. Okay, it's not up to 2 months, and they have about 350k users, and people have been catching out, including myself. So that's the adverts page. So guys, as I was saying, if you register with a coach, the coach is going to generate the code is going to generate a coupon code for you, and that coupon code, you can register with at least the minimum money you can register with is just 6,000 naira, and they have actually upgraded their plan now to 10,000 naira. So on that 6,000 naira, when you open an account, 1,100 will be in your account as you opening it, and 5,100 will be credited into your account immediately you open the account. Then 5,100 will also be credited to the person that you use his or her link. I don't know if you guys are getting it. So that's how it is. It's not a double money scheme of a thing. So after you have opened an account, this will be your interface. Okay, this will be your interface. This is how the interface is like. And for you to perform daily taxes to earn, okay, I'll click on menu, and you click on this NFT claim. Okay, you click on this NFT claim, and it will bring you to this interface. My claim is not ready for today, so I'll come back later today, because I'm actually filming this video as early as 4:09. So my claim for today is not ready. So this is where you perform your daily taxes, and your daily taxes is just to, like their page, comment on their post. But guys, me, I don't do all of that. Like something here, if you click on this advert, it will bring you to this page. All you have to do is to scroll down. You click on their YouTube icon, you go and like or you comment. You click on Instagram, you like and you comment. You click on their TikTok account, you like or you comment. It's not a must you like and comment. Okay, you can go on their Telegram channel as well. Okay, then after you have done that, after you have liked or after you have commented, you go back and you click on this NFT claim. After you click on NFT claim, you claim your daily reward for that day, and they're going to be giving you 1,200 daily. You earn 1,200 daily performing taxes. Okay, you earn 1,200 daily performing taxes. And for you to earn more money, you have to refer. That's why I said at the beginning of the video that this platform or this website is an affiliate marketing kind of thing. Okay, just like we have Amazon affiliate, this is Elixir affiliate marketing. So when you refer someone, you make money from the person registration and go and even if the person refers somebody, you still make some little income from it, and it goes on and on like that. And on this platform, they pay if you are withdrawing your money. You can withdraw your money into your local bank account. Like before now, let me change my dashboard to Nigeria account. I have actually changed it, and I have my payment details on this app. Already. And if you want to actually if you want to add your account, your bank account, this is it. This is my profile. It's very easy. All you have to do is just to click on your profile and you update it. You include all the details that is needed there. So Elixir pays every month. I told you are going to be doing a daily tax, which you earn 1,200 every day, and every second of every new month, Elixir pays out. All you see is just an alert, because they have your account details on the website already. So all they do is just to send out money on every second or every new month. Like locally, for example, let's say you open your account this June, you'll be expecting your money every new month of the next month. Okay, and they also pay daily. They pay 3 times in a day. They pay on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And the money they pay on Saturday are your referral money. Okay, the commission you make from referring people to the platform will be paid to you. You can withdraw that one anytime, any day. So far, it falls on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So you can actually withdraw that during the week. You can see that is how do I put it? You can earn monthly and you can also earn weekly. That's why I love this platform so much. And another thing is that you can make money with your TikTok account. Okay, now I'm going to click on TikTok here. After I've clicked on TikTok, they said request payment for TikTok views only on video that have more than 4,000 views. Like you make a video probably advertising Elixir or introducing Elixir to people, and if that video should go viral on TikTok and maybe you got 4,000 views upward, you can actually come to this Elixir website, input your details, and you'll be getting 50,000 for every 4,000 views that you get on that video. As time goes on, I'll teach you how you can make TikTok videos and you post, and if your video goes viral, if you get 4,000 views, 5,000 views, or 4,000 views upload, you can get 50,000 naira immediately. It will be credited into your account. So imagine you creating videos every day. Do you know how much that is? Okay, do you know how much that is? That's that about that. So I'll go back. And also on this platform, they teach their users. This Facebook that I clicked on now, there are models or modules that teach you what you need to know. Okay, they actually educate you for free, and this education costs nothing less than, now that courses are expensive, nothing less than 80 to 100,000. Honestly, to be honest with you, it costs nothing less than that. So I'm just going to go back to my page now. And also, how you can make your stock exchange here. and you can actually monetize your skills as well. Let me go back. If you click on these skills, you can monetize your skills. Probably you have a course, something like that. So you can there are various ways you can earn on Elixir. Guys, don't sleep on this. People are catching out. Myself is catching out, and that's why I bring the update to you. No, I'm not selfish. You can always trust me for that. So this is what I'm going to be covering on this particular video. I will have other videos. You can go through them and get to know more about how Elixir work. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to be in the description of this video, I'm going to be leaving you a referral link. If you're interested, you can join and start earning immediately as you join, because the work now is on you. It depends on how many people you're able to refer in a day, and you cash out your money Monday, Wednesday and Saturday of every month. And if you perform daily taxes without omitting one day, you get paid on every second of each new month. So guys, this is something you can actually do as a stay-at-home mom, as a student. Is a side hustle you can do as a stay-at-home mom, as a student, as somebody that is looking for an extra income. Nigeria is not smiling. Everybody needs extra income. So click on the link below this video to join. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have gained one thing or the other in this video. And if you have any question, guys, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll be in the comment section. I will be responding to all your questions, and also I'll be leaving the link to my Telegram channel here. You can feel free to subscribe to my Telegram channel, as I will be giving you more updates about Elixir and how it is done. Okay, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye for now.